Continuing our review of the tags that go in the head section of your HTML documents, we come to the script and style tags. Use the script tag to embed script in the header of an HTML document. One of the attributes includes type equals, and then in quotation marks here. This describes the content type of the script language. In this case, it's JavaScript. Other attributes include character set, spelled like this, C-H-A-R-S-E-T. This is the character encoding of the script, such as ISO 8859-1. The defer attribute tells the browser not to parse the script until the document is loaded. Language describes the name of the scripting language, and then SRC is the external location where the script may be. In this case, the script is not included in between the script tags, but an external file will be loaded based on the location provided by the source tag. And the last one is the type, which describes the content type of the script language. We now come to the style tag. This tag is used to define style information for an HTML document. This is actually a very important tag for us. We're going to use it to style all the content of our pages down in the body section down here, because this style element lets you specify how HTML elements should render in a browser. The style tag is supported in all major browsers, and the style element always goes inside the head section. Notice here I've defined a style class with this attribute here. The only attribute for the style tag is the type attribute. In this case, it's text/CSS, which stands for Cascading Style Sheets. And I've defined a class here, .myStyle. And there's an open curly brace, and I've defined the style. Font size equals 14 point. Font weight is bold. The color is a blue color down here. And then I've actually applied the style here to this piece of text. This text is styled with the MyStyle formatting. I set that up with a class attribute of the paragraph tag. If we have a look at this page in an HTML editor like Dreamweaver, we can see the HTML above, and then here is the actual content that the user will see in the browser. That is 14 point, but let's go ahead and make that 24 point. Change it here, and it makes the text larger. Likewise, I can make that text smaller, putting in 10 pixels for the font size, and now it gets a lot smaller. Likewise, I can change the color. Change that to a different hexadecimal color. Changes it in this case to black. Let's go ahead and make that bigger. You can see that one advantage of using an HTML editor like Dreamweaver is you can make changes to the HTML and then see the results quicker and more conveniently, allowing you to work more efficiently. One common use of the style tag is to use it to color the background of your document. You'll do that with the background style applied to the body tag right here. There's my body tag, and here is my style definition. There's the color. You can also use an image as a background, using a link to a graphic image used therefore as the background in the web browser. You can also use the repeat property to repeat the graphic in the X or Y directions or both directions, or set no repeat to not have it repeat at all. If you open up this document page background.htm in your browser, this is what you'll see. Notice that there's no content, but the background is blue, and I have now a graphic that is also included in that background. It's not repeated. If I type repeat-x semicolon here for my value of this attribute, the repeat attribute, and then I reload the page in the browser, notice that it repeats that background image, but only in the X direction, the horizontal direction. Repeat Y, like so. Let's go ahead and save this file and then bring up my browser and reload it. We'll repeat it in the vertical direction only. So there you have a review of some of the more important tags that go into the head section of your HTML documents. Let's now move forward and review the important structural elements of the body section.